Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, this is Aisha. Tomorrow Aisha. Today I'm going to share 5 common advanced verbs to level up your English skill. Today Aisha ga English chingu lila advanced verbs sharing Okay, ba sale ja aw. Tama usong tulong garo. Apwa winni along achaung ya tku ko titi cha cha pyin pyin than than gaung chin yai aphi sha ja da ko brainstorm lo pyo pare. Brainstorm. To brainstorm, to all think about something at the same time. Apwa win along achaung ya tku ko pyin pyin than than gaung chin yai aphi sha chin. For example, this is the time we need to brainstorm about the project. This is the time we need to brainstorm about the project. Teaching ngaro longan to titi cha cha gaung chin yai bi aphi sha swinu ya mai achain phit de. Now tolong ngaro company de ma sai yong ni ma kong ja sit short cha pho twat lok ta wi short cha da ko downsize lo pyo pare. Downsize. To downsize, to reduce the number of people who work in a company, factory, etc. For example, our boss had to downsize from 1,000 employees to 500. Our boss had to downsize from 1,000 employees to 500. Now, procrastinate to procrastinate, to delay and put off tasks that you need to do. For example, he always procrastinates doing important things. He always procrastinates doing important things. Not long at all. Nesona jara, matame jara. Arago to over here over here. To over here. To hear someone's conversation but not intentionally. Nesona jajin, matame jajin. For example, I overheard him saying he was thinking of leaving his job. I overheard him saying he was thinking of leaving his job. To a logan toto melu bioni danga, a matame jala de, Nasona jala de. Now song to longaro, a near bora pipare, the bora quelera, a near bora pipare, and I will dispute of povare. Dispute, to disagree strongly. A near body. For example, she disputes the claim that she stole the car. She disputes the claim that she stole the car. Well, that's it. This is all for today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends so that others can learn. If you don't want to miss any of them, you can subscribe my channel down there by clicking subscribe button and hit the bell so that you get every videos. Okay, ba jesu timare dine share page ne channel li ka ro dlauk ba be. Di video li ko jai nit tat de so yin no like and share li lou pi ba. Video li de ko amya tan mlut tan ji jin ne lila jin ne so yin no subscribe lou pi khang long li ko hnai pi ke ba no. Aalong ko jesu timare. Thank you for watching.